Welcome back to the channel, guys. As you can tell by the thumbnail in the video, we're changing the gear set out for Helen this year. This year we're going to the 350 gear ratio versus the 390 that we had last year. We're bumping up the power about 3 times as we did last year, so we really got to get the wheel speed up higher with all that gain power that we're making. I think 350 is going to be right in the happy range where we're at. There's a lot of guys running lower, around 3.0. If we need to do that, I will. But right now, I think 350 is good. Last year, I had a ton of smoke with my 390 gear set, so I'm thinking that we're going to have plenty of wheel speed. If not, we can change stuff around some more, but I'm happy with the 350 gear change at the moment. This gear set is from our partners over at Speedmaster. They came on board this season with a full bolt-through center section. Speedmaster also came on board with a lot of other parts that you're going to see in some future videos that I'm very excited to show you guys. But this is one of the main pieces that they came through on, and I'm very excited about it. So this is a bolt-through design third member. It's aluminum. The last one was steel. Not that I need to save weight on a burnout rig, but it is cool. We have the billet support right here for the pinion. We have the billet yoke right here. Everything on this third member is just a lot better than what we have on it right now. When we first started out, it was just an NA rig that we were happy to be doing burnouts with, and we needed to upgrade the rear end, so we just got a steel third member that was completely fine for the quick performance. And to be honest, I'm still going to save it for our spare in case we ever want to go do some other type of racing, you know, like mud drags or something with big tall tires. So I'm going to keep that, and we might use it for something else. But for right now, for burnouts, this is going to be the winning ticket. You can see in the back here, we got ourselves billet caps for the spool. It's a full spooled section. All the Speedmaster's third members are all set up in their foundry or factory. So this thing came fully assembled, ready to go. We got gasket with it. They got awesome U-joint straps ready to go. So I'm just gonna unbolt mine, get the other one out, throw this one back in, and be ready to go. Alright, got her all jacked up. I'm going to go ahead and get this third member out of here. As you can tell, it's just a steel third member that we had before. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead. I got to take the tires off. I got to take the tires off and pull the axles out on the side. Unfortunately, I don't have an awesome floater like a lot of people that can just pull the axles out and do a quick change. So it's going to be a midget. We're going to go ahead and get the tires off. Alright, Chris is getting these tires off here. I just pulled the drive line out, and luckily I wasn't sure if the U-joint is going to be the same because I don't remember what we set it up for last time, but it is the same, so we don't have to change anything. That is very good, very good. But yes, everything else is good on here. Drive shaft just touched a couple times. I'm not worried about it, and neither should you. But anyway, we're gonna get these tires off here, lift her back up, and start pulling everything out. All right, time to take these brakes off here. Got 4 lock nuts back here. Once you get this off, get the rotor off, then you can pull the 4 bolts out. That holds the bearing in there. So I'm gonna get to work pulling these off. It's all grimy back here. It's like this guy does burnouts or something. Bunch of rubber and shit. Thought I was ready. Extension! Yeah. Everybody worried about me hitting an axle. Get over it. You want to know what I've done to these axles? Not one.
Oh, wall tap!
Not two.
Looks like you may have had to slow down just...
But 3 times.
Oh, wall tap.
I've hit the wall. Not with the body, not with the cab, just the wheel. The wheel, just the wheel. I have bent 4 wheels. You want to know how many axles I've bent? 0. Quick performance. Get yours today. Boom! Bingo was his name. If anybody's worried about hanging your stuff from a brake line, don't be. The whole brake line stops your entire car. Why would it be upset about a little caliper? Got our old iron one out. It's time to get this new aluminum one in. Definitely a lot nicer weight-wise. Alrighty, grab some nuts here. we go. New third member is now in. We get this thing filled with fluid, put the axles back in, driveline put back in. We'll be ready to go. All right guys, so as you can see, third member is in. We're not able to put the driveline in because the driveline is a 1310 and the new yoke style is a 1350. Going to 1350 is definitely a good upgrade to do. So I just got to change the U-joint to do a conversion U-joint. A lot of people are going to say the right thing to do is take the driveline in, get it cut, get it all put together with an actual 1350 so you don't have to use a conversion joint. But it's a burnout car. Don't really care. We're good to go. So we're going to put these axles in, get the wheels and tires put back on, get this thing rolling, get it out of the shop, and close up shop for the night. I appreciate you guys watching. That's our third member install. Huge shout out to Speedmaster. If you need anything, go to speedmaster79.com. They have almost everything on there that you could think of. There's so many things to go and look at and get. But anyway, I appreciate Speedmaster for helping out with the build on this. This season, we're going to be using a lot of Speedmaster parts, so I would just keep watching to see how many upgrades we're doing on Helen. Because this year, Helen is going to be a whole new animal. We'll see you guys next time.